हाय एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूँ श्वेता।
मेरा नाम है इंदर और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
तो अभी हम वीडियो करने वाले हैं 40 J-35 स्टेल्थ फाइटर फॉर पाकिस्तान, चाइना बिगेस्ट मिलिट्री डील येट। तो आइए देखते हैं। Defense up fast.
What if a paint job could make a stealth fighter deadlier?
Oh.
That teal-colored sensor under the chin of China's brand new J-35A, it looks like a design choice. It's not. That color is the result of a military-grade optical coating that could change how stealth fighters fight wars. And Pakistan is watching very closely. Stay with me, because this gets serious fast. China just dropped the first official images of the J-35A, its newest fifth-generation stealth fighter.
Okay.
And when defense analysts saw those photos, one thing immediately stood out. That teal-colored dome sitting under the nose. This is China's second stealth fighter, alongside the already feared J-20. Think about that for a second. Right now, only two countries in the entire world operate two distinct stealth fighter platforms simultaneously. The United States, and now, China. That's it. No one else is even close. The J-35A is a medium-sized, twin-engine, multi-role beast. Analysts estimate a maximum takeoff weight of around 28 to 30 metric tons. Combat radius, approximately 1,200 kilometers. And it's built to carry weapons internally, so the stealth profile stays clean in combat. It's based on the naval J-35, China's carrier-based stealth fighter, but adapted for land operations. Lighter landing gear, refined aerodynamics, optimized for speed and agility over carriers. Production models are expected to run on the WS-13 or WS-19 engines, capable of pushing this jet past Mach 1.8. This is not a concept. This is not a rumor. China is building this aircraft right now. Now, let's talk about that color, the teal. You see on the J-35A's nose is the electro-optical targeting system, or EOTS. And the color isn't cosmetic. It's functional. That teal hue comes from a specialized optical coating applied directly to the sensor glass. This coating does three major things simultaneously. First, it cuts glare and reflection. In combat, sunlight bouncing off a sensor. Window is a real problem. It can confuse your own sensors or make the aircraft more visible. This coating eliminates that. Second, it filters specific wavelengths, especially infrared and laser frequencies. Why does that matter? Because infrared-guided missiles and laser-based targeting systems are among the most common threats modern fighters face. By filtering those frequencies at the glass level, the coating protects the sensitive electronics inside. Third, it optimizes light transmission for the bands that matter most. This means the sensors behind that glass get sharper, cleaner data, better infrared search and track, superior target resolution, more accurate weapons delivery. This is a critical point that many people miss. On a stealth aircraft, every external component is a potential vulnerability. Sensor windows, if not properly designed, can actually increase the radar cross-section of the aircraft. They can also degrade under extreme heat or high-energy laser weapons. China's teal EOTS solves all of this in one integrated design. The aircraft stays stealthy, the sensors stay protected, and the pilots get better targeting data. That's not an incremental upgrade. That's an engineering leap. Here's the bigger picture. The J-35A doesn't replace the J-20. It complements it. The J-20 is a long-range air superiority interceptor. Big, powerful, designed to dominate airspace. The J-35A is more flexible, medium-sized, multi-role, capable of both air-to-air and precision ground strike missions. Together, they give China a two-tier stealth architecture, something only the US has previously achieved with the F-22 and F-35 combination. The J-35A also fits into China's network-centric warfare doctrine. It's designed to link with airborne early warning aircraft, unmanned systems, and ground command networks. It doesn't just fight alone. It becomes a node in a kill chain, gathering data, sharing targeting information, and coordinating strikes across an entire battle space. The cockpit features a large multi-function display, helmet-mounted systems, and is expected to carry an AESA radar. Pilots won't just fly this aircraft, they'll command information. And let's not forget, the naval variant is already deploying from China's most advanced carrier, the Fujian, which uses electromagnetic catapult launch systems. The J-35A and its naval cousin share core technologies. China is building a coherent, integrated stealth ecosystem across land and sea. This is where things get very interesting for South Asia. Pakistan Air Force already operates Chinese platforms with deep integration. The JF-17 Thunder, co-developed with China, forms the backbone of PAF's modernization. More recently, Pakistan acquired the J-10C, a highly advanced delta-wing multi-role fighter. And during recent regional tensions, the J-10C's performance reportedly exceeded expectations. That success has significantly strengthened the Pakistan-China defense partnership. Now, reports are emerging that Pakistan and China are in discussions about acquiring next-generation platforms, potentially including fifth-generation options.
Okay.
If PAF gets the J-35A, or a variant of it, the regional air power equation changes fundamentally. Think about what Pakistan would be gaining. Internal weapons bays that preserve stealth, a protected EOTS system for precision targeting, network-centric warfare capability, an aircraft that can conduct air superiority and ground strike missions in a single sortie. Pakistan's defense strategy has always focused on qualitative edge, doing more with carefully selected platforms rather than mass. The J-35A fits that doctrine perfectly. It multiplies the effectiveness of PAF's existing fleet, and it raises the deterrence threshold significantly. Pakistan-China defense cooperation has a consistent track record, cost-effective, high-impact, and tailored to operational realities. The J-35A would not be an exception. Let's zoom out for the final picture. China has compressed decades of stealth fighter development into just a few years. From the J-20 entering service to the J-35A's public debut, Beijing has moved at a pace that has surprised even experienced defense analysts. The teal EOTS is a symbol of that approach. It's not about flashy announcements. It's about solving real combat problems with engineering precision, protecting sensors, maintaining stealth, delivering better data to pilots under pressure. As this technology matures and spreads through strategic partnerships, it changes the calculation for everyone in the region. Adversaries now have to plan for stealth aircraft equipped with passive, high-fidelity targeting systems that don't emit detectable radar signals. That's a fundamentally harder problem to solve. And for nations like Pakistan, access to these systems means deterrence doesn't require numerical superiority. Quality beats quantity when the quality gap is this wide. The J-35A with its teal EOTS isn't just a new fighter jet. It's a statement that China's stealth aviation has reached a new level of maturity. And for Pakistan, it may represent the next major chapter in PAF's modernization story. If you found this breakdown useful, drop a comment below with your take. Do you think Pakistan will actually acquire the J-35A? Let me know. Subscribe for more in-depth defense analysis, and we'll see you in the next one.
Wow.
स्टेल्थ प्लेन बनाया एकदम बोलते ना, और वो स्पेशली वो कलर के से ज्यादा वो दिखेगा ही नहीं अगर उड़ेगा, क्योंकि स्टेल्थ मोड एकदम बोलते ना, वो कलर के ऐसे वो रेज ऐसे पड़ेगी तो दिखेगा, ये समझ में ही नहीं आएगा। और उसमें जो अपग्रेड्स भी है और उसके वेपन्स भी अंदर ही है वो। और ऑफ कोर्स चाइना की तो पाकिस्तान की डील तो होगी उसके साथ, ऑफ कोर्स वो तो होने ही वाली है, फॉर श्योर है वो तो, फॉर श्योर है। पर ये अच्छा, काफी अच्छा प्लेन, अच्छा लगा प्लेन, बहुत सही लगा। गाइस ऐसे ही और वीडियो सजेस्ट करते रहिए, तो बस आप हमारी चैनल देखते रहिए। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय।